Okay, so what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to make a calendar. So first you would go up to your apps, then you would go down to calendar. Go ahead and let that load. And then you'll have something that automatically shows up. This will show you a prompt, basically walking you through and making sure that you have the app on your phone. So if you like, you could go ahead and open that on your phone right now. If you have an iPhone, you would go to the Apple Store, and then if you have an Android, you would go to Google Play. Okay, so go ahead and hit got it. So it's going to start with today's date, so that's going to show up automatically, but you can also go to previous days. So now we're in September now. This is last week, and you can keep moving backward and backward throughout the weeks, throughout the months. You can also control that over here on the left hand side. It also shows you specific times here on the left, so you can set those. You can also look at the month, not only by the week, but by the month itself. Or you could just look at it by one day at a time. So this is all just one day here. This is all just for Monday, October 3rd. And again, you have the times over here on the left hand side. This red line just basically means what time it is right now. So you could go back to month, and you could create an event just by double clicking with your left mouse button, and it'll bring you into this. So you could say it's somebody's birthday today. You could just type in happy birthday. Okay, and you can make sure that it's all day, or you could have it repeat weekly or every other week or every year. So you could click on that so you could get more specific on how you want to be reminded of this event. Okay, and then as I said, this here just shows you how often you want it repeated. How often do you want this event repeated? So every week, every Tuesday and Thursday, every Monday, Monday and Friday, or every weekday, Monday through Friday. Do you want this event to show up every day, Monday through Friday? Well, this is a birthday, so you probably don't want it to show up unless you have a birthday for somebody every day of the week. But then you would create a different event for every individual's birthday. So what you would want to do in a birthday, you would want to go to yearly. So repeat every one time a year. And their birthday would be on 10/3/2016. And ends never. So that means how many times do you want this to repeat throughout your calendar? You probably never want to take this off of your calendar. So you want to make sure that it's always on never, so that it shows up every single year from here on out. And go ahead and hit done. And here we could put location Magnolia at 9th. And so this is kind of based off of Google Maps, and so you'll see an address show pop up automatically. Okay? And here in the description, I'll just simply put Magnolia's birthday. And you can also change the color of the event. Down here, it's automatically set to like a teal color, a light green color. Let's go ahead and hit red. I like to do red for some of the more urgent events. Okay, so if everything looks like it's done, you can also add an attachment such as a photo. And usually you could drag or drop. It could you could bring up photos from your Google library, or you could upload them from your actual computer. Okay, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and cancel. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Okay, so it shows up here on your calendar on October 3rd. The calendar will also automatically show any holidays that are coming up, any national holidays. So this one here, for example, is Columbus Day. This one here is Halloween. Let's go a little bit more forward into a different month. So right here it's showing that you're in October. You will go ahead and hit right to go forward throughout the year. And then you also have here in November. It's still going to show you a little bit of the last month, so that's what this is here. But November starts here on a Tuesday. So you have Daylight Savings Time ends on the 6th, Election Day on the 8th. So you can also go ahead and create a vote day here if you'd like. Veterans Day and Thanksgiving. Maybe if you have different events to go to, or you have an event, you could go ahead and add one here. And again, you could go back using the arrow, but if you go back, keep going forward a few months, you could always go to today's date by going ahead and clicking here on the button for today. You could also control it going through here. So again, I'm going backwards, and it's going to highlight the 3rd. So go ahead and hit today, here or here. Go ahead and click it up here, and we're back over here. So that's just showing you how to create an event. Go ahead and click and create 5 different events, whether it's a birthday, a holiday, or an event on a holiday, or your birthday. Okay, and you can also share some of these events by clicking back on the event. And adding a guest. So if you want a guest, you could go ahead and send them an invite by clicking on their email here and hitting add, and they'll be automatically sent an invite. Okay, so go ahead and hit save, or maybe you did something by accident, you go ahead and hit discard changes. Or if you want to get rid of the event entirely, you can hit delete. But I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Okay, so go ahead and do that for 5 events. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.